Hey guys, this is Chanya and welcome back to my channel. And so in this video I will talk about how do we use behaviors in Camtasia, how do we customize it, how do we use it in such a way so as to grab attention of the users. Plus we will see to what extent we can be more creative and make our visual more attractive. So we will start. So first of all we will see how do we apply behaviors to our media, and for that we have to go to behaviors, and there are many options here in front of you. You can use any, and so let us give some behaviors to our media, and I'll just give. So how do you apply it? You simply select the behavior you want and you just drag and drop on the canvas, or you can do one thing that you can select it and drag and drop to the track. So this green line shows that it is going to apply there, and you just click it. So this is how you apply behavior. Let's see how does it look. So we can make it more interesting by customizing the behavior. Yes, we can also customize the behavior. That is the best part, and we will see that how to customize any behavior. It is very important first to select the media, and as shown the yellow line, it means it is selected, and then you go to property panel, and from here you can customize your behavior. And there are three very interesting things here: in, during and out. So you can actually style it in a way that how do you want your media to enter, how you want it to stay there, move out your media. So it makes your visuals very interesting, and it actually grabs your viewers interest. And so we will just try out one example, and I have already selected my text, and from here in we will just you can click on the style and you can just change the style. Just see how does it look. We'll go to fly in, and from you can click on type and change the way you want it to be. I want it from left to right, and the moment let us select bounce, but from here you can select any of your choice. There are also subcategories available to it, so you can select as per your want. You can also change the duration of your bounce from here. Let's go to during, and from here we change our style from fading to jump, and I want it to be center to out. And the similar way, these are something that you can actually change your jump and your offset and delay and loop time, how you want to be, for how much duration you want it to, and how you want to move out your text. So I'll just select shrink and last to first, and we'll see smooth. So we'll just preview it and we will see how does it look. So guys, this is very interesting. I'm telling you just one example, a very basic of how do we customize it. You can actually explore it in many ways, and so there is one more interesting thing to it, that you can actually provide multiple behavior to one object, and it can be customized at the same time. So for that you will select the object, and from here you can see what effect you have already given from this track and also from the property panel. Now I have already given pop-up to it, and I'll just select one more, and I'll just add one more behavior to it. Let us say jump and fall. I'm adding here, and as we can see, as it shows that there are two behavior added to your media, and we'll just preview it. So see, it looks really interesting and very appealing, and the best part, you can again customize these behavior. Even you have applied multiple behavior, you can customize both of it from your property panels. From here, you can go to pop-up and just change however you want. So we'll just quickly change it and just see the difference, and we'll again preview it. We'll also change the jump and fall thing. Flying, yeah. So we'll just see how does it look. So guys, one thing is for sure, that using these commands you can actually come up with very nice visuals, very nice effects, and you can make it really very attractive. So in this video I have already told you about how to apply behaviors, how to customize, how you can add more than one behavior at a time, and how you can customize multiple behaviors at the same time. So this is what makes your video, your visual very interesting, and a very nice way to grab attention, to make people focus on your video, your content. And I hope you like it. If you do so, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon, as it is going to notify you for my further videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.